Hey there, I'm Ryan with the Fluke Networks Technical Assistance Center, also known as TAC. One of the more common calls we get is customers having issues with fiber testing. Most of the times, the issues with the fiber connectors are due to end face debris. As TAC, our first question is, did you clean and inspect your fiber? Most customers respond with yes. Our follow-up question is, well, what did it look like? Their response, that's what I thought. Fiber inspecting and cleaning is an integral part of fiber testing. Without inspection, we're essentially flying blind. Cleaning and inspection isn't a difficult task. It's actually quite simple. Here's cleaning. Nah, I'm just kidding. So for fiber inspection and cleaning, we're just gonna need a couple things. We're gonna need fiber, an inspection scope connected to a screen to view, as well as cleaning. Let's go ahead and inspect our fiber. And we're gonna adjust our screen. Ooh, as you can see, it is insanely dirty. Let's take our cleaning supplies, click the end face a couple times, and re-inspect. Much better. As you can see, cleaning and inspection is quite easy to do. If the dry clean didn't resolve your issue, you'll have to move on to wet cleaning. Please give us a call with any questions, and thanks for watching.